Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we'll be teaching you how to design a clothes tag for your fashion brand. For a fashion brand, we want to achieve a clothes tag like this. So this is what we'll be learning in this class. So stay with me and let's walk through the process. So create a new folder, a new page. Then this is the logo. This is the logo of the company the client sent. So right now, designing a cloth tag is generally portrait color, a portrait shape, sorry. And for a portrait kind of design, try to make it a bit, let's add it a bit longer. Yes. So the first thing here we see we tend to engage is let's power click this logo inside, readjust the logo, double click in, readjust, and let it fit. So we want to make a rectangle here. Press shift on your keyboard and hold and click that logo, and then you click on intersect from here. Click on this tag and drag down. Click on finish. We are successfully we are trying to work with the client base color, like what the person actually need in the design. So next, what we are saying is we want like the phone numbers of the clients so that customers can reach them. The next are the social media handles of the company to access them on social media. So next, so right now these are the list of informations we have gotten from our clients, the phone numbers. So we'll copy phone numbers and social media handles. Copy this and you take it to your design space. Look at this is your design space here. So right now you paste your details. Let's change the color and the font. Let's change to white so that we can see very well. So from here right now, you make your adjustment. The phone number should be on one side for easy access. Then let's move. Then paste here. We'll change the phone numbers to Bebas. Let's give it a space in between three contact. 434. Make it this is Bebas. Bebas. Click enter. So bold, make it bold. This is for easy access for customers to see and contact the client. So right now, we want to make a shade of a good shade, just exactly like this logo we power clicked in. Then pick and then pick, drop here. Then, but basically, if you don't want to go that way, you can just come here. Look at gold color here. Click on the gold. So right now, come down, click center. Look at pen to here. Then let's make a division between the phone numbers before we come to the social media handles. Give it a consistent font. So right now, let's centralize this to E, centralize. So this is TikTok, this is Facebook. So the basic thing you do here, you try to, this is Facebook, this is Snapchat, this is TikTok, this is your website. So you just need the symbols and the logo or logos of these particular companies to illustrate that instead of writing Facebook, Snapchat, the rest of them. So right now, I've downloaded a list of social media vectors for this. So right now, we'll paste it here. This is a list of vectors we downloaded. So this is Facebook. So we extract them by tracing it. This is quick trace. Let's use a logo trace. This is a logo trace. Press enter. And then some didn't trace very well, but basically our phone calls what we need exactly. So this will make use of this. This is the TikTok logo. This is the Facebook. This is the Facebook we're looking for. Then what again? This is the Instagram we're looking for. I think that's all. That's the basic. That's the basic design. So right now, let's delete this part. Let's move it away. This is the unnecessary part. Reduce the size. So where you have social media handles here, let's give it a white color for because everything is a bit black, black, black. So right now, white. Change the text to black. Shift page up on your keyboard like that. Control A, then press Control L to align left. Right, just so Facebook right now. Let's delete this and then replace with Facebook. Shift page up, shift page up. All of them shift page up so that the moment you place, you don't need shift page up. Let's reduce it. Use your shape tool to readjust it. Make a readjustment so that it will be very bold. So now this is for the Snapchat group. Control G to group it. This is snap. Do away with this. And you continue that for the entire process. You replace the entire process. This is a TikTok. Delete. Remove this art. And then this is for the core tag. The core tag here. Instead, we can equally improvise. We'll remove this and then we'll leave this core tag alone and give it a good color. For this website, we can use the symbol by pressing Ctrl F11. This F11 here. You come to yes, remove it, Ctrl F11. Yes. From here, type webdings, and press enter. So there are a list of symbols here. So you look at symbol that encompasses or bring out. Let's use this symbol like a website. Replace this just for illustration. Then we can remove this HTTP whatever. All right, readjust it like this. Group it. Centralize it. And then your clothes tag is complete. This is just a simple design you can make from the comfort of your home. So, and if you love this, endeavor to subscribe and support us. Thank you, and wait for our next tutorial.